Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken stock from a raw carcass. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need one raw chicken carcass, which provides the best flavor and gelatin. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Don't forget a few sprigs of fresh parsley and a bay leaf for that classic stock aroma. Finally, grab a large stock pot, ideally an 8-quart size or larger, to accommodate everything comfortably. Now let's get cooking. Place your raw chicken carcass and all the prepared vegetables into your large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, using about 12 cups to ensure full submersion. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Avoid a rolling boil, as this can make your stock cloudy. As it heats, you'll notice foam rising to the surface. Use a spoon to skim this off for a clearer stock. The key to a rich, flavorful stock is patience. Allow your stock to simmer gently for a minimum of 4 hours, or even up to 8 hours for a deeper flavor profile. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or container. Make sure to discard all the solids, as their work is done. Now, let the beautiful golden liquid cool completely before moving on to storage. Once your homemade chicken stock is completely cool, it's ready for storage. Transfer it into airtight containers, leaving a little headspace if you plan to freeze it. You can refrigerate the stock for up to 4 days, perfect for immediate use in your favorite recipes. For longer storage, freeze it in freezer-safe containers for up to 6 months. This versatile liquid is fantastic for soups, enriching sauces, or cooking grains like rice and quinoa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.